Download the code from codegive.com. Link in description. Creating an HTML webpage using Visual Studio Code is a straightforward process. First, install Visual Studio Code on your computer if you haven't already. Once installed, open the application and create a new folder for your project. Inside this folder, create a new file and name it with a HTML extension, such as index, such with the Open this file in Visual Studio Code. The editor provides features like syntax highlighting and IntelliSense, which aid in writing HTML. You can start building your webpage by adding essential HTML elements such as the HTML head and body tags. Visual Studio Code also supports extensions that enhance your development experience, such as Live Server, which allows you to preview your webpage in real time as you make changes. Save your work frequently, and when you are ready to view your page, open the HTML file in a web browser to see the results.